guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will be doing a collection haul of favorite pieces from my closet. So there's a lot to come, along with accessories, shoes, and a lot of clothing. But yeah, and I also wanted to show off my Lolita cord that I wore today for today's video because it's a special day. I'll link down below where I got this dress, but it is the cutest shade of pink ever, isn't it? It's just so cute. I'm also wearing the cutest necklace ever. I'll also link the seller down below, and then the bow that came along with the Lolita outfit, as well as these shoes that I bought, I think from Amazon. I'll try to put the link down below so you guys can check it out as well. Alright guys, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so up first for my first item from my collection is a design made by me, my brand SourPink. It is a set. As you can see, the top is this cute tube top, lace top with Korilakkuma sewed onto it. It's just so cute, and I made it because I was just inspired by the kawaii culture in Japan, and I just had to recreate something within my own style. And yeah, it was just so fun to make, and I'll be making more of these and putting them on my Etsy soon. But yeah, I'm very proud of this set, and I just really love sewing and doing these types of designs. So yeah, I'll be inserting pictures of how I styled it from my Instagram and showing you guys because it was such a cute look. So up next we have this dolly pink corset top. So this is from the brand sugarthrillz. I recommend this brand so much. It is so cute for girlies who are into coquette dolly fashion. I did add the embellishments on the front, as you can see, and on the back you can see how you can lace it up and tie it tighter and adjust it. I also kept the tag on to show it off because the tag is just so cute and dolly, and it just looks so cute. Alright guys, so up next is another DIY item. So this is a Hime Gyary inspired bow, specifically from the brand Pafait. This brand doesn't sell clothes anymore, and secondhand clothes that you can get from them go for so expensive on various sites. So I just decided to make my own because, like, why not? And it's just super easy. If you get the right materials, you can totally recreate this. I use things from around my household as well as some stuff I ordered. But it is just the cutest hair bow, and it is just so princess and dolly. Alright guys, so up next in our collection of favorites, we have this cute cami top. Now I will put the brand description down below. This item is just so perfect for all my dolly, princess, coquette girls. Like, this is the perfect addition to your closet, and it is just so fairy and angelic like. It features ribbons on the front as well as this cute little heart gemstone and just like this fluffy outline type thing. So cute. Up next in our collection of personal favorites, we have another set designed and made by me. Now this design was very much inspired again by Pafait, which is a Japanese brand which is very popular in the Gyaru community, specifically in Hime Gyary substyles, or Hime, I think it's Kaji, but it is just so cute. This fits my style so well when I'm doing Hime Gyary outfits. I added roses on the skirt as well as this lace trim, and it is just made out of the softest material. So up next we have another top. This is from the brand Sicko kittens. I love this brand so much. It is so cute. It has some of the prettiest clothing I've ever seen. But yeah, this top is just like a fairy top. You can see the print on it. So cute with like ribbons all over it, and you can tie it in the back with lace. So cute, and I recommend this brand 100%. So up next in our collection, we have another design made by me. This was made for my brand SourPink when I first started my Etsy last year. So I did put another one on my website to sell, but this one I kept for myself because the design was just so cute to give away. That's like a burden with like knowing how to make cute clothes. It's like you want to keep half of everything or everything for yourself, because like it's just so cute. But yeah, another item I also made with the similarity from the last one is this top as well, which I kept. I use these for like bikini tops when I'm out at the beach and stuff, but it is just so cute and one of my most prideful designs. Alright, so next up in my collection is literally one of my most favorite things. Like, if I had to rank everything, this would be like in the top 3. It's made by like one of the best brands that I personally love. Probably my favorite like Hime brand or Gyaru brand. It's made by Shushu Cherry. You can see the tag is just so cute. This is the Hime Gyary training setup that they just released. I ordered the pre-order and received it not too long ago. I posted pictures of it on my Instagram and how I styled it, but the lacing on it and the pearls and everything, the lace on the hoodie is just to die for. I mean, like, look at those bows, and wow, it is just made out of the perfect material. Here I'm just gonna show you guys the skirt. So the tie was originally bowed, like laced up like a bow, but I had to tighten it and you know it fell out, but it doesn't make it any less cute. Like, this is just a perfect skirt. It's a little on the longer side, but it is just so classy and elegant. Like, I love it. And Shushu Cherry will always remain one of my top favorite brands. Like, everything they put out is amazing and top notch. So this next one concludes my clothing collection item. So this is a Mezzo piano shirt. This is just so cute and so girly and Harajuku kawaii. The size is 120 centimeters. So I bought this shirt on Depop. I will try to link the seller down below, but like, look at the design. And Mezzo piano will always have my heart. Like, technically it is made for kids, but that didn't stop anybody. It's not gonna stop me. So yeah, it is super cute. So this next item is a pair of Crocs. Now, these were gifted to me for my birthday by my lovely boyfriend. These are platform Hello Kitty Crocs. I mean, like, how cute is this? Like, do you see those gibbets? So cute. And the design is just to die for. Like, this in a kawaii outfit is just chef's kiss. Alright guys, so for my last item, it's not really a clothing item, it's more of a plushie. Well, it is a plushie. But originally this video was going to be a collection of my items, like my personal favorite items from my closet, as well as a plushie haul. But unfortunately, I bought the plushies from buyee Japan, so they're still on their way. I didn't choose the fastest shipping option because a girl's broke. But I did manage to buy her. This is strawberryusa. She's a sugar bunny. I got her from mercari. I got her from mercari US. So I was actually surprised to find her because usually sugar bunnies in the US go for so high, for like so expensive. Alright guys, so that concludes my video for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a really fun time making this. Although wearing my Lolita core today in like this really hot weather was like, it felt like I was doing a workout. But in this video, its format is a little different. Like I did use a specific type of filter to make it look more like princessy and dolly. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the future, but I do like it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my little collection haul type video. I will be back with more videos in the future. I did put a poll up on my Instagram and you guys chose this video out of all of them, but I will still make the other videos in the order that they were ranked based on votes. But thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.